This is my review of the e-terra SodaStream.
In the box, you have the CO2, the dispenser, and the 1-liter water bottle. First, you'll take the backing off of the dispenser and pull all the way up on this black lever. Next, insert the canister bottom first and push it back while pulling the lever down. The CO2 is now ready to be dispensed. Fill the water bottle up to this fill line and pull this lever all the way forward. Next, you'll press up and then push back. It's inserted correctly when there's a bit of space between the bottle and the dispenser. Now, press and hold this button for 1 second. Immediately, carbonation fills the bottle. You can repeat this step up to 5 times based on your carbonation preference. Here's the sound of that carbonation hitting my glass. Flavoring is sold separately and there are many different options to choose from. You can add it by the liter or by the glass. The whole system is 17 inches tall, fitting easily under most countertops. It's 5 inches wide and 8 inches deep and weighs just over 10 pounds. One 60-liter canister is equivalent to approximately 126 single-use bottles. You can also get this canister refilled so you can continue to use the same one over and over again.
In summary, I find this extremely easy to use and I love that I can make sparkling water in my own home, so I definitely recommend it.